Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've been wondering how to transform your small living room into a spacious, stylish retreat, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share my top tips and tricks on how to decorate a small living room to make it look much bigger without tearing down any walls. Let's get started. Tip number 1, maximize natural light. Natural light can make a small room feel much larger. Remove heavy curtains and let that sunlight in. Opt for light, airy window treatments, or even go bare if privacy isn't a concern. And remember, mirrors are your best friend. Placing mirrors opposite windows helps reflect light around the room, making the space feel brighter and more open. Tip number 2, choose light colors and soft hues. Keep the color palette neutral or light. Whites, soft grays, or pastels work wonders to open up a room. They reflect more light, creating the illusion of a larger space. If you want a pop of color, add it with accessories like cushions, throws, or artwork. Tip number 3, smart furniture placement. The way you arrange your furniture can have a big impact on how large or small the room feels. Keep pathways clear and avoid blocking windows. Multifunctional furniture, like ottomans with storage or sofas with built-in drawers, can be a game changer. And remember, floating furniture, leaving space between furniture and walls, gives the room a more open feel. Tip number 4, declutter and go minimal. In a small space, less is more. Too many items can make a room feel cramped. Stick to a few decorative pieces that add character without overwhelming the space. Minimalist doesn't mean boring. It's all about choosing pieces that serve a purpose and spark joy. Tip number 5, vertical space is key. When floor space is limited, think up. Use vertical storage like shelves or tall bookcases to draw the eye upward. This creates the illusion of height and frees up floor space for movement. Adding a few plants at different heights also helps give the room a fresh, lively feel. And there you have it, 5 easy ways to decorate your small living room to make it look and feel bigger. Just remember, maximize light, keep the colors soft, arrange smartly, declutter, and go vertical. These simple changes can completely transform your space. If you enjoyed this video and want more home decor tips, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.